Netherlands, let everyone know. We gather together, let the spirit flow. At EMDC we'll lift our voices high, scriptures in our hearts, reaching for the sky. With every beat we'll share His grace. Inspire one another in this holy place, inspiring one another in this holy place. From every nation,